How to download all SVG images from my website. Go to google.com and search SVG Gobbler extension. Here you can see SVG Gobbler. Click it here. Add to Chrome. Click it here. No, add extension. SVG Gobbler has been added to Chrome. Click this extensions and pin it. After that, open a website. As you can see here, this is my website. Click on this extension. Here you can see all the SVG images in the website. You can download it one by one, or you can select all. Here you can see the file type SVG and click on Export. Now all the SVG images of a website has been downloaded. As you can see here, all the SVG images of a website. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.